Afternoon. Today's Monday, July 17th, about 3:40 in the afternoon. Look at our neighborhood in the south and east side, filled with clouds, rainy clouds. Okay. Yep, and you hear the thunder rolling up there. Yeah. But earlier, the clouds come from the north. Right now, it's clear sky in the north. Look at that. Yeah, it's very interesting. It's clear sky, and right now above our house, it's just like white clouds, Seems like the rain is not coming. It's kind of typical in Missouri too, sometimes just like, one side difference, one side's rain, another side just clear sky, yeah. Yeah, so the rain is not really coming. Okay. It was humid earlier, now the temperature kind of dropped, yeah. But again, we just see the clouds here. Oh, thunder in there. Yeah. I'd better hide myself inside the house anyway. Those are rainy clouds. Yeah. Thundering up there in Edgewater Village. Yeah. Okay. But look over there. It's just clear sky. It's clear sky over our house. Yep. Very interesting. We really need rain. We need more rain. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. See, the clouds over there are forming. But it's not rainy clouds. They're not coming toward our direction. Yep. Let's look at that. Yeah. Thunder in there, lightning there. So we need the rain, please, Lord, send us rain.